Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to earn online, and you can start by opening a YouTube channel whereby if you reach a certain number of subscribers, that's 1000, and if you reach a certain number of hours, that's 4,000 hours, you can be able to apply or monetize your channel with YouTube, and you can apply for monetization. The second one, you can open a TikTok account whereby you can start posting your videos, and after you reach a certain number of views and a certain number of followers, you can start also earning with TikTok. And as well, you can start earning with TikTok by selling your own products on that particular platform, whereby you have seen people going live and they sell products like clothes, oil, like hair products. You can start such a business on TikTok instead of waiting for monetization, which will take a long time. You can start by that. And another one, you can start an Instagram account. You can open an Instagram account whereby you can start also selling your products there. It's almost similar to TikTok. You can do the same thing, and you can post your products there. When people get interested, they'll buy from you. And one thing, when you're doing such businesses, you have to be honest, because these are people who can't see you. So you have to be honest with people in terms of the products you are selling, and the location that you are. Basically those things. If you want to venture into such business, you can research more and more about it. And another thing, you can start affiliate marketing, whereby you can market for other people's products in your, for example, account. That's why I said, if you want to open an account, for example, on Instagram, you can market for someone else's product on your account.